Here is your market recap for Monday, December 13th, 2021. Let's go. This is Dan Max at EXP Realty, aka the trading agent, with the daily stock, Bitcoin, gold, and silver market recaps. Please check out the Discord room. Link is in the description. This is Dan Max at EXP Realty, aka the trading agent, with the market review for Monday, December 13th. Let's start off with the Discord room. Again, if you're not involved here, I understand, but I would check it out. There's definitely lots of information. There's going to be tons of things in time that we talk about, and the videos are here. There's education on the left if you look. Livermore stuff, old recaps, just everything. There's incriminating evidence on everything we've done and what we're up to. So I've talked about this for years, that I would build this and get it going. Well, here it is. So this is what's going on. Check it out. Let's get into Bitcoin. We talked about the 47,000 level. Interesting. You can see intraday on the hourly. We talked about 47,000 buying. I mean, again, I like it with a stop. Could you get right back down to the low of the extremes? Anything's possible, but I just don't think it's going to in the short term. Ding, ding. That's the cue. I like it here. I mean, again, have a stop. I don't think Bitcoin's going to tank unless bigger mechanics going on and things that I don't know. Then it just is what it is. But just keep in mind where we're at. The Feds, the market, it's not going to go anywhere for a little while. We're going to chop. Bonds, I think we'll get back up into the 155. I said this actually might be a legitimate trade to play before the Fed, because you are holding the 20-day, and the Feds want the rates low. They want to hold rates down. And again, I don't really give too much of a what about the rates. I care about their volatility. That's when things are moving, that's when it matters. If the rates are just chopping in these ranges, rates are still historically low. They don't matter. The dollar, this one's interesting. Again, this is all chopping. I mean, could we retest almost 26 or break the trend line 20-day? I don't know. Probably going to chop out until the Feds. It's going to be a broken record. I'm going to say it over again. We talked about the market probably pulling back and the VIX spiking because you went from 35 down to 19. Well, look at that. The 100, 200, and the 50-day. Of course the VIX is going to pop today, which leads me to the SPY, which I said very succinctly, I think we'll get to the 20-day at some point. I don't think we're going to break out before the Feds. Actually, I know we're not. Unless something dramatic happens, we're not going anywhere. We're just going to chop. And if anything, the bears might be in control. And that's what the Feds probably want. They want the market down so they can rationalize not raising rates. QQQ, 400 level, backing off under the 20-day. Broken record, not going anywhere. Gold, silver, we're talking about this. Did a whole video on why it's not going anywhere. Quad witching OPEX, end of year tax loss selling, the FOMC meeting, and seasonality. Mid-December, bottoms in gold and silver. I mean, you can watch the previous videos and talk about that. Under the 100, 250-day, I think they're good buys here. Now, could it good buy and go lower? Yes, but risk reward, if you like it, get after it. I mean, it's why I really like silver here. I don't think there's much downside at this point. We're in the no-brainer buy zone, in my opinion. 20s, a buy. Just, you can zoom out, do your own work, trust nobody but your own eyeballs. I think it's a buy. GDX, same thing, buys with stops. I like this area. You go out to the monthly, you can see very clearly. Trend line, 50-month. 29 area. I mean, maybe we touch that before, with the Feds. I don't know. Again, 30, 29, what's the difference if you're going to swing trade it other than percentages of your win? But all or nothing traders, what if you can't be around? What if you miss the entry? The shit can get fast. Moving on, FOMC day. GDXJ, same kind of thing. I like it here. You zoom out, you can see you're at important areas. So I like metals, I like miners, I like the risk reward at these points. I don't think inflation is going anywhere quickly. AG, mid-10s, we keep talking about. This is just hanging on the floor, going nowhere. It's just keep an eye on it. If you want to make trades here, at least buy low. KL, which was interesting, it blew out lower, and again, it came right back up. It's holding this blue zone. I mean, if you can get near the lows. Again, I hate to be a broken record, but that's the kind of stuff you're looking for. Your stuff that's holding lows at these price points, PAAS, PAAS, Pan American Silver. If it's holding this area, it probably is going to be safe to buy it here. Again, don't be all or nothing. Start layering in. US Steel, real simple here. Again, it's like just basing in the 22s. What did I say on the previous videos? Wait till the breakout of these trend lines here and just get over this stuff, because once it goes over it, it's going. VALE, we've liked this one. I hope people watch the videos, put out alerts, because sometimes I am right. Just kidding. I'm more right than wrong, but I will be wrong. A W pattern getting back up. I like it. It's acting well. flip this over the SPY, and which one would you rather own? Clearly VALE. It's acting well. Buy it on pullbacks. Let's jump into tech, because tech to me is, again, has the biggest downside potential at this point. AMD, I mean, we've did a video on this, talked about this 100 times. If you weren't taking profits up in the 160s against the old trend line, shame on you, because now it's just busted and it's going lower short term and might get choppy, but the easy trade is over. That's what I tell people, like, move on. Other trades out there. Wait for it at the bottom. Let it do its thing. It's probably going to be fine in the long run, but you never know. Wait for the bottoms to pop out. Apple was interesting because this is one I was wrong on. I said, but I was right. I said, here, buy it for the breakout. I thought the target would be at this red line. Zoom out on the monthly, you can see where actually the upside potential is. I missed that until after I realized, I'm like, why the hell are we breaking out? Today, JP Morgan upgraded the stock and it closed at the lows. I call that a buddy pass. Looks like clearly they're trying to upgrade it to sell it to their friends and clients, which it's totally legal, but that's what it is. MicroStrategy. Bell went off today, 570. Again, this one, if you want to layer in, I like this area with stops. Keep it simple. I'm going to show you all the stocks that I'm watching and just keep an eye on them. RIVN, this one's, again, if you get the 106 level, 100 area, I think you got some good buys. It has to get back over 123. Until then, it's just waterlogged. And when I mean waterlogged, it just gets chopped in a range, which is not ideal for swing trading. It is for scalping, though, if you're looking to trade it. Roblox, and this is another one I said, just get out and wait. It's, you know, the trade was the 2 times range. Broke the downtrend. Now we're chopping higher highs or lower highs, and now higher highs or lows. I mean, it's going to get choppy and sloppy. And here's another one. Easy money's made, move on. Because that leads me to the ultimate easy money's made, move on. Tesla, I told people, I mean, like, when we got up here in the 2 times range, fib extension, Elon starting to sell. The CEO is selling shares. Elon got rich trading his own stocks. He knows what he's doing. He's going to buy the dip. Stop having diamond hands and actually have paper hands at times. If he's got paper hands, you have paper hands. Let's just keep it that simple. I like Tesla long term. I think they're going to be fine, but I would not buy this. I would wait for this to play out, because last time you had a monster run, it bases out, it gets sloppy, it gets choppy. I mean, trade it, but man, if you're buying for like a swing long term and you're just buying shares just to buy shares, if you were wrong, you are going to be regretting it, because you will be able to buy it lower. And again, partial trade it, do whatever you need to do, but just be careful. PENN, this one's interesting. I put alert, said if it get over the 20-day, buy it. It didn't. How you backed off. Today was a doji. It was a gap down doji, which is, I would keep an eye on that. This could be, I mean, this thing has gotten hammered. It's heavily short now too, so I think it's due to pop, but I like the risk reward. Another one I like the risk reward, EXPI, the parent company of EXP Realty. It looks good. I mean, I know it's getting sloppy and choppy down here, but that's what I like. I like retesting. I like shaking out all the weak hands, because shake out, drop, shake out, drop, shake out, pop. Keep it on your watch list. 32, 33, great spot. XOP and ExxonMobil. Let's end it on the oil names, and I'll just rant for one more minute. Said XOP needs to get over the 20-day. It's not doing it, so it's probably going to get back down to the 90s. Just keep it that simple. That's why you just wait sometimes. You let confirmation, because ExxonMobil is a great one. It closed over, but what did we say Friday? I don't really like that candle. I don't like this hammer up here above the trend line. So you could have bought the trend line, but you got stopped out today. I said I was not buying it because I didn't like that it closed like that formation. Now I'll be waiting. 59 area. Again, I mean, ExxonMobil doesn't move much, but it's just trades, things that I'm watching. So I hope this helps. Again, I mean, if you like the content, please subscribe. I do this daily. I'm involved. You know, I'm at my computers. If you've seen my setup, you know I'm trying to watch everything, but also have a group of friends that help out as well. They're watching things. So that it's, again, you hit enter on your own, but we're a team in the sense that we, you know, if someone has a question, someone will try to answer, and if someone has an answer, they'll try to help. I mean, it's just that simple. So if you're trying to learn this on your own, I wish you luck, but also wish you, you know, the capacity to see like, hey, it might be worth tagging along and seeing what other people have going on. So I will talk to you guys and gals sooner than later. For more trading knowledge and insight, click on the video links to the right. I appreciate you stopping by. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And if you haven't joined the Discord room, check the link in the description below.